Here's an original Hannah Sherman tunnel. And it's at Autobell Car Wash in Waxhaw, North Carolina. And I'm going through alone. This is fun. Okay, oh. As I was saying, this is an original Hannah Sherman conveyor. All Hannah. In fact, my aunt and uncle know the owner. And my cousin's looking in. He's 5 and he likes car washes. Phone bath. And here's the mitter. Really nice. I like Autobell. I haven't been to Autobell since I was like 5. Oh, and blasters. And wheel blasters. I don't think they have tri-foam on this system. I didn't see any. Here's rocker panel brushes. Another blaster. And wraparound. Hannah wraparounds. Just like the one at Bayshore Shell. Yeah, nice wraparounds. Yeah, I haven't seen any tri-foam arches, so I don't think this is equipped with tri-foam. This must be an older tunnel. It did look older. Another rocker panel brush. Another mitter. See, there aren't any tri-foam arches, which is pretty odd. Rain-X curtain. We got Rain-X. And Hannah dryers. Really weird looking ones. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and whatever. Thanks for watching.